Hello, we will see together how to install Linux Mint 19.3 Tricia. So this is the beta release. This is not the version stable, but you can apply for this video the same step when it releases the stable version. You will just change the Iso image. So go to linuxmint.com and then you will find on home the new version Linux Mint 19, or you can find it on download. So click on Linux Mint 19.3. Let's go to the download. So this is the download link. This is for torrent and this is for different mirror. So choose which you need and then just click and you will start to download. I had already downloaded, so let's continue, but just click here in any version and you will have the list. For example, this for Linux Mint 19.3, you just click here and choose the version 64 or 32. Let's choose 64. Okay, and here it asks you for download mirror. Let's choose, for example, French, and it start to download. So just choose the more near to your country. Okay, I will cancel. I had already this image, so I will use Oracle Virtual Machine, but this is the same thing. If you have a real OS, just create bootable USB for Linux Mint and then reboot your PC and start to installation and just follow the same step. You will find also on the video, on the description of the video, a link which show you how to create bootable USB for Linux Mint 19.3. So let's start. Let's create a new machine. Let's call it Linux Mint 19.3 and next. For the RAM I will give 4 GB and next. Create VDI dynamic allocation. For the disk I will give 15 or 48, it's okay, and then double click, and here we will give the location for Iso image. It will be boot for the Iso image, and this is my image. So you can choose any desktop you want, like Mate or XFCE. Okay, automatic boot will be in 4, 3, 2, 1 second, and waiting for the boot. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We need your support. Just like, comment and share. Okay, waiting. Okay, double click on install Linux Mint and choose the language. I will choose English and continue. Okay, for the keyboard I will choose French AZERTY. Choose any keyboard layout which you need and continue. Okay, I can erase disk and install Linux Mint or create or resize partition. Let's create partition. Okay, so let's create a new partition table. I have 52 free space. Okay, I will give first the space for swap area. The swap area must be the double of the part for the RAM. I had to give 4, so the double is 8. And okay. And let's create another partition. Let's create the slash. I will give 10 GB for the boot, and the rest it will be for slash home, and that's all. And click on install now, and yes, continue to confirm the partition table. Continue. Your name, empty software. Let's delete this and choose your password, and then confirm your password. You can log in automatically or just require my password to log in, and it starts to the installation. You can take coffee until it's finished. Okay, installation is finished. Click on restart now. Press enter, again enter. So login, and this is Linux Mint. So welcome to Linux Mint 19.3. So this is the welcome to Linux. So this is the first step. You can install driver manager, multimedia codec, update manager, system setting, firewall. This is the documentation, help and contribute. And now you can start using your Linux Mint 19.3. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.